Hello guys, welcome back to Njie splitting channel. Today I'm going to be discussing how you can do the front splitting. So if you're a complete beginner, I'm going to start step by step on how you can do the front splitting, both left and right side. So stay tuned until the end of this video so that I can show you everything that I'm just showing you here right now. Alright. Without further ado, so let me just start the tutorial. You're going to start a little bit warm up. Maybe you can do a little bit stretches, and we're going to start by looking at one of the methods that people don't know. That is the window method. That's what I'm going to introduce today. So I think it's going to be one of the easiest way than the ground method. Although we are going to be doing the ground method, but I just want to start with the window method to see how best or what is the difference between the window method and the ground method. So that's what I want to introduce. So I'm going to do both of them. If you have questions, make sure you leave your comment below. I'm going to be doing the window method, and the end I'm going to be doing the ground method. So stay till the end of this video so that you can differentiate them and take the easiest one for you. You understand? So let's start. Now the window method is going to be like little bit stretches. But before that, you have to do little bits stretching so that your muscles can get relaxed, your muscles can be heated, because you cannot come just straight away and you want to do that one, you can harm yourself sometimes. So this is the most secret that most people don't tell you. Alright. The type of exercise that you are going to be doing, it depends on your flexibility, or it depends on the type of exercise that you want to start. There are different kind of exercises. You can do any type of exercise. You can run, you can jump, you can do whatsoever. Okay? So we have all these kind of methods that you can do. So it depends on you until you get little bit energy or your body is heated inside. After you can do little bit stretches. So don't just come straight and you want to do front splitting like that. So once you start like that, your body is going to, maybe some of the joints are going to have problem as you start like that. So that's why I'm going to start completely from scratch, and I'm going to be showing everybody step by step how this one is done. So let me do my little bit exercises. You can do this one for a minute or less. A minute or less than a minute. Depend on any kind of exercise you do. So Njie, you can do this one also. Release. Okay. You can also change. You can also change as time goes on. You can also change as time goes on. So this one is going to give you a proper strength and muscle relaxation. If you want, you can also change as you are going. When we're kicking, change. So, okay, can do this. All right. Take one of your leg out. Stretch it for some seconds. This is a beginner method. Hold it like this for some seconds, maybe 1 minute or less. and make sure that your toes are touching the ground, and make sure it is stretched. Okay, now let's do the same to the left side. I'm going to turn back to the left side. I'm going to be feeling the same. So let's stretch this one a little bit. Alright, stretch it. Okay, now let's go to the window and start our window method stretching. So let's swipe our legs a little bit. As we are going now, we're having a little bit heated. So you can start now. The window method is going to be, take one of your legs and place it on the window and start the stretching there. You're going to be pumping up and down. You're going to be holding this one, and then we're going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to be counting 10, 10. Place the same in the window and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Right. So you come here again and start another one. Place it here, and I'm going to hold this one. Your elbow with the left side and the left hand. So let's go again. 1. We're going to hold it there for some seconds. Let's say 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Bring it down. Stretch it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So bring it down. Bring the right to the window. Hold it like this. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it here for some seconds. Okay. Hold here for some seconds. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come down. Now let's turn back. We're going to climb on the window backwards. So this is what I mean. You're going to place your leg on the wall of the window, and then right hand side up, left side down. So take it like this. Okay, you're going to do the standing method, but let's place our elbow down. Let's place our elbow down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's stand now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. hold it here for some times, maybe some seconds, and let's turn again. Let's do the same to the right and the same to the left. Now left side on the window and then the right below. So let's go. So they're going up and down. So you can see 1, 2, 3, slightly, 4, 5, if I can kneel down, 6, hands down, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can get up and give it a time. Stand like this. Now let's stretch a little bit. I'm gonna hold it like this for some seconds. Let's count to 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So let's go back. Normal position. We're going to be taking the 2 legs on top of the wall and the window. But let me start with the window first again. 2 legs on top. And I'm going to hold this one for some time. Now, let's bring this leg down. Spread it. Spread it like this for some seconds. Take it back around this side. Take it back to the normal position. Raise this one up and come back to our place. And still, we can get closer to the window. Let's go closer to the window. Let's go closer to the window. As you can see, going towards the window and then like a stretching. Okay, from there you can get down and then we compare it to the ground and see which one performed the best. Now for the ground method, I'm going to be, now we can test our splitting from the window to the ground. But I'll do the ground first. I'll do the ground before I do the final testing. So let's go to the ground and then see what are the techniques needed for the ground. So for the ground technique, you have to stand like this, and some you can hold your hands like this, it doesn't matter, or place your palm on the floor and one of your legs at the back is straight. So this is after you slightly come down and go up, slightly come down and go up. So sometimes you slightly come down again, the puppy spots, the puppy stand, and slightly go front, slightly come down again, and go front. Okay, sweep a little bit. Let's hold it here for muscle relaxation and muscle stretch. You have to feel a little bit pain. Okay, so the same on the left side at the front and this one back, and hold it like this for some seconds, and slightly go back. The puppy's technique, the puppy sitting, or I don't know how do they call it, and come slightly top, backward again, come front and back again. So here you have to hold it for some seconds again. So let's stay here for a few seconds. Let me say 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See, now let me slightly turn. You see it? Now palms up to the ground. And I'm going to count up to 15. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,